The Matonsi family in Jabulani has confirmed that the body of the 25-year-old Ndumiso Matonsi has been found at the government's mortuary after he had been missing for more than 2 months. Ndumiso was last seen being driven away by a group of more than 10 men who allegedly accused him of stripping cars for parts. His disappearance sparked concerns in the community, with the family previously appealing to the public for help in locating him. The family says that they are devastated by the discovery and are now seeking answers surrounding the circumstances of his death. Police investigations are still continuing.
Usemanzini umndeni wakwaMathonsi endaweni yaseJabulani kulandela ukutholakala kwesidumbu selunga lomndeni emakhazeni ombuso. Kuzokhumbuleka ukuthi lolu daba sike sabika ngalo ngenyanga kaNdasa wakulonyaka, nokuyilapho sabika ngokulahleka kwalo wesilisa onguNdumiso owathathwa ngabasilisa abangeziwa esola ngokucuya izimoto. Umndeni ulandise kanjena ngokutholakala kwakhe.
Simtholile umfana, simthole ngolesithathu. Simthola eGovernment Mortuary yaseHillbrow. Nangibuya nje ngavele ngagibela itaxi ngaya khona lapha ngathi ngiyambheka kanti ngenhlanhla ngizomthola. Ama-update bathi ungene nge-22 zikaMarch. Ngelanga bamthatha nge-21 zikaMarch. Shuthi bamlimaza bamlahla eMelvin, uthola amaphoyisa waseCleveland. Ngayo i-21 ebusuku bathi bamthole ngo-2 intatha. Then base bamngenisa emoshari ntambama ngo-3:30. Simtholile ngoba unenxeba, utholakale namanxeba okugwazwa. Ngalivula icala ngoba bamthatha nge-21, ngavula icala Sunday nge-22. Namaphoyisa aseCleveland analo i-case nalo.
Kusenjalo umndeni uzwakalise ubuhlungu ngalesi sikhathi njengoba uqhubeka namalungiselelo okumfihla.
Ubuhlungu kakhulu, ubuhlungu. Kodwa-ke vele bese sizitshelile ukuthi noma simthole ephila noma simthole eshonile, as long sizomthola. Ngoba bese siside nesikhathi simfuna, yabo. Ngibonga kakhulu nje umphakathi ube nathi kulobunzima besifunisa umntwana size sigcine sesimtholile-ke. Noma sesimthola engasekho emhlabeni, kodwa nje sesineclosure ukuthi simtholile umntwana. Ngoba kubuhlungu kabi ukufuna umuntu ningamazi, abanye bagcina bangabamtholanga umuntu, but-ke thina-ke ngenhlanhla yethu besimtholile-ke. Sibonga kakhulu nje umphakathi bamsana nathi ukuthi size simthole, siyabonga kakhulu. Amalungiselelo omncwabo ukuthi sizomfihla ngolwesibili ngoba istate somzimba ayishaka sekho right, umoshakele kakhulu. So kube bekuya ngami nje besicabanga ukuthi kube yi-weekend manje ngoba simthole late, nokuthi ama-mortuary ayashesha ukuvala la kubhaliswa khona for ukuthi ama-grave site. So sekuzoba ngolwesibili bona lo siyakuwo.
uNdumiso ube neminyaka engama-25 ubudala, kanti-ke kulindeleka abekwe endaweni yakhe yokugcina kuLwesibili oluzayo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu, ngiseJabulani.